In this video, I'll show you how to change profile name on Binance. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your Binance, click on this. Now, currently my profile name is How To Do, so if you want to change it, just click on this. Now, what you need to do now, wait for this to open up. So once that's opened up, you're going to be able to click on that pen icon. So this is it. Our profile name is our nickname. So our nickname here is How To Do. So you can come on here and change it. And remember, you can be able to change it, I think, once in 7 days. So this is how you can be able to do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.